Welcome to another important video. Today I'll show you how to convert Microsoft Word to PDF file. Go to your Word file. Here you can see my Word file, which is 18-page long. The problem: someone did not access my Word file. So I need to convert this file to PDF. Here you can see there is no PDF save option. The question is, how we make it PDF without any software? Let's go to Office button from here. Then click Print option. There is a print dialog window open. Go to drop-down menu and must be select Microsoft Print to PDF. Then click OK. Now to set your file location and file name. Then hit Save button. Wait a while. Your PDF file now ready. That's all. Stay connected by subscribing. Thank you.